this is how to assemble a smart lock. First you need to put the lock body inside the door and tighten the screw from here and here. Then you need to cut the spindle of cylinder according to your door thickness and fit the cylinder in. Now place the spindle in its place and tighten the screw from the other side.
How much was this? 160 pair. 160 pair.
Put the two net bolts in their place and tighten them also. Cross the wire through the door. Put the back plates in its place and cross the wire through it. Adjust the plate according to the cylinder and spindle. Then place the screws in their place and tighten them.
Arab, Amazon.
To trim the door in its place, you can put the screws in all these holes, screw holes. You also need to cut this spindle according to the door thickness. Connect the wire, both of them. Adjust the door according to the three spindles. Adjust the smart lock according to the three spindles. 1, 2 and 3. Put the screws in their place.
Yes, all good, sir.
Now when the smart lock is fixed into its place, you put the battery in. And it will function accordingly. Camera, locks, everything. Now to change the direction of the lock, go to the settings *#, your password, option number 3, option number 2, option number 1, it's right, now left, back. Now if you want your direction to be left, then L, if right, then R. We want right, so R, back, back, back. Now as the direction is right, so when you put the password or lock the door, it will properly lock. But if the direction is left, the lock will open instead of locking.